Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medieval hood. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 1 to 2 yards of fabric, such as wool or linen, which were common choices. Also, have your sewing machine or needle and thread ready, along with scissors and pins. Before cutting, take 2 key measurements: your head circumference and the desired length from the top of your head to your shoulders. This ensures a comfortable and well-fitting hood for your medieval adventures. Now, let's create your pattern. You can draw a simple rectangle based on your head and face measurements, adding about 1 inch for seam allowance. Fold your chosen fabric in half, aligning the top of your pattern with the fold to eliminate 1 seam. Carefully cut out the main hood shape. If you desire a long, pointed tail, known as a liripipe, ensure it's part of your pattern, perhaps 15 to 20 inches long. Now it's time to sew your hood together. Begin by stitching the main hood pieces along the back and top seams using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. If you're adding a separate liripipe, attach it securely to the back of the hood before closing the side seams. For a lined hood, sew the outer and lining fabrics separately, then join them right sides together, leaving a small opening to turn it out. Press your seams flat for a professional finish. To complete your medieval hood, finish all raw edges with a neat hem or a decorative stitch to prevent fraying and ensure durability. You might consider adding a gorget, which is a shoulder piece, for extra coverage and a more historically accurate silhouette. Finally, personalize your hood with hand embroidery or dagging, which are decorative cuts along the edges. These small details will make your medieval hood truly unique and ready for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.